Hello, Jamie. Today I am going to be doing your feedback. My name is Leslie. I first went on to your website, that is not the homepage. Absolutely love this black and white. Oh my god, I love it. It's gorgeous. And then I went to the portfolio and I wanted to see it. And as you can see from the beginning of the video, I stopped and looked and then I was like, no, like I'm going to record this first and then continue looking. But oh my god, this is stunning. I love the black and white. I love the dark. I just love everything about this. If I would have to say to fix one thing, it would probably be the space in between these two pictures right here. These two, just make it a little smaller. The sizing is perfect. I love the font. Font is gorgeous. I love that your name is right there. That is giving me some ideas for my own self. Oh my god, I cannot wait to see this. Oh my god, this is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Now, my question is right now in my head would be, okay, where is he located? That's what I want to know. Okay, let me go to contact and see. Doesn't really say where you're located, but I can give a guess of where you could be located because of the area code of your telephone number. About. Okay, I like this. I love the black and white. I love the about. The sizing is perfect, very easy to read. Oh my god, I love that you have a quote. I love quotes. I love quotes. Oh my gosh. I love the small print right here, and then it gets bigger. The print is gorgeous. I love the Instagram, the Facebook. Oh my god, this is amazing. You did great. I don't know what to say bad about it. Or if you even want to, I don't even want to use the word bad because I don't even like hearing the word bad. But I would definitely want to know where you're located. I think that's what I'm having a hard time kind of, looking for around here. I know you still want to work on this, and I know that there still needs work to be done. Portraits, can I press on this? Where does this lead to? Okay. Let me just look at this. I feel like this is kind of like when I went to the other pages, it was hard for me to it was easier for me to locate where everything was at, but this page is a little bit difficult. I don't know if it has to do with the picture right here. I have no idea. Maybe that's just, something that's bothering me, but I still don't know where you're located unless this is more of a photography travel type thing. So the location of where people are located does not matter. But let's go back to the home page. My bookings, my wallet. Oh, this is great right here. My account profile. So this is the home page right here. Yes. But I want to know where you're from. Where is he from? I want to know. It would be so cool if these pictures could change. That would be super cool. I love the squares right here. You did an amazing job. Now let's go to the mobile view. This is gorgeous, stunning. I love this. Let's go to services. See, this is a lot better than the website page. It got me a little confused, but now it's more easier to read. Isn't that crazy? I love the sizing right here. This is gorgeous. This is fantastic. About, let's see how the about, gorgeous stuff. Love it. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Wow, it changes. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love how it's like black, white, black, white. Okay, let's go to the contact, and I think that's the last. I love this. Great. You did a fantastic job. Very good. I would just want to know where you're from. That's what I'm having a really hard time understanding. I love the background. I love the black and white. I love the photos. Everything is amazing. Sizing, font. Amazing job. Amazing job. It would be cool if these can change, like I said, and then maybe put right here underneath photography, where you're from. That would be super cool. Anyway, thank you so much for hearing this, and I hope you enjoyed your feedback, and I hope I gave you some ideas. Bye!